Hey there, and welcome back to Smart Hacks for Small Businesses. I'm your host, Dave Reese, and today we're tackling one of the most frustrating issues for employers. Why are we still paying so much for workers' comp, even though we've had no claims? The answer lies in what your insurance carrier sees or doesn't see when they review your account. Just having a good track record isn't enough. Today, we'll show you what underwriters actually look for when deciding whether or not to apply discounts and how you can position your business to qualify. A clean claims record isn't everything. Having no claims is great, but not proof of having a safe workplace. Carriers want to see systems in place rather than your company just being lucky and not having work comp claims. If you haven't submitted documented safety programs, training, or inspection procedures, they probably assume you have nothing in place. Carriers and underwriters look for written safety program that matches your industry and its risks, proof of ongoing training, safety inspections and corrective actions, return to work program. Most underwriters look for the term post-injury management, and documentation must be clear when submitting for your policy renewal package or request for scheduled credits. Here are 3 common mistakes that are made that decrease the likelihood to receive any discounts or scheduled credits. First, relying on your agent to handle it. Like most of us, your agent might be busy, have competing priorities, and it may be delayed or simply slips through cracks and doesn't get submitted. Secondly, don't ever submit outdated generic templates. The underwriter will see through this quickly and may feel you are wasting his or her time, which is never a good thing to do. You always want to be on their good side. Third is not translating your internal safety language into terms underwriters value. We at Work Comp Saver took great care to ensure our programs generate custom safety programs using underwriter-friendly language. It's also written to make your safety efforts visible and valuable. And all of this helps you meet state and carrier discount eligibility in minutes. With all this intel, here are 3 actions you should take this week to begin securing your discounts and lowering your work comp premiums. Number 1, use our free workers' comp savings calculator to determine what potential savings may apply based on your state and industry. We'll put a link to the calculator in the show notes. Number 2, write or update your safety documentation before your next renewal. And number 3, when armed with this information and documentation, request a scheduled credit review with your agent. Hey, thanks for hanging with me on Smart Hacks for Small Businesses. Remember, if you don't show underwriters your safety story, they'll assume you don't have one. Your premium should reflect the safety culture you've worked hard to build. Let Work Comp Saver help you start or enhance your programs in less than 30 minutes and turn that effort into significant savings for your business. Share this episode with your agent and carrier or peers and subscribe for more ways to save time, money, and headaches. Until next time, keep your business smart and safe.